Hey there, I'm author Sarah A. Chrisman, and today I'm making cranberry sauce. This is a recipe that I originally found in my 1893 copy of Mrs. Beeton's Book of Household Management. You can find it in my anthology, Old-Fashioned Thanksgiving and Some Old-Time Folks.
This recipe for cranberry sauce reads: Ingredients: 1 quart of cranberries, white sugar to taste, 1/2 pint of water. Mode: wash and pick over the cranberries carefully and put them in a lined saucepan with water just sufficient to cover them. Let them stew slowly, stirring often till they are reduced to a pulp, which will take about an hour or longer. Take them from the fire and sweeten with the sugar, then turn into a deep dish or mold to cool. If a mold is used, it should first be wetted. They may be strained and cleared as jelly if preferred. Serve cold in a glass dish. Time: 1 hour or longer. Seasonal from October to March.
Now, how much sugar you add is going to depend entirely on how sweet you like things. I don't like things overly sweet, so I generally, if I have a quart of cranberries, like it says in the recipe, I would use 1 cup of sugar. I did a half batch this time, so I'm just using half a cup. Basically, just add a little bit of a time and taste it till it's where you want it. At this stage, when the cranberries are still hot, after you've just taken it off the fire, hey Psyche, it's going to be pretty liquidy, and then as it cools down, it'll solidify. You do want to transfer it right away to a glass container, because if you keep it in a stainless one, like I've cooked mine in, the acid in the cranberries will react with the metal. I didn't want to stain my Le Creuset, so I cooked it in a metal pan. You can cook it in a metal pan, just don't leave it in a metal pan. You want to leave it in something glass or ceramic, but be aware if your ceramic is white, it's going to get stained. So glass is better. Just make sure it's okay to put something hot in it. And then you just cool it overnight and let it set. The natural pectin in the cranberries is going to help gel it up, and the sugar will do the rest. Of course, the most traditional thing to do with cranberry sauce is to put it on turkey, but I like it on oatmeal. So what I've got today is my steel cut oatmeal. And some cranberry sauce. Satsuma sections. And some pine nuts. Steel cut oats with cranberry sauce. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a nice thumbs up, and remember to tell your friends about my books. Happy reading!